Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. So before this video starts, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up because HRC at this moment did not give me the green light to show any team footage. So that will mean not much behind the scenes stuff this time. I'm really working on it, but yeah, it's a matter of mutual trust. And I do not want to break that trust straight away and, well, maybe even get fired right from the get-go. So yeah, bear with me, I'm working on it. Yeah, let me know what you think and enjoy this video. Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in again. Well, it's 2025. Can you believe it? My god, time flies so fast, it's incredible. Yeah, I'm here in Jerez to start my new adventure in World Superbike again with the HRC team with Ike Lacona as a full-time mechanic. So I've got some healthy nerves, but yeah, as soon as I get working, I'm sure it's all good. So today it's Thursday and like I said, I'm here in Jerez. I actually left home on Sunday because I first had to go to Barcelona to pack the trucks to yeah, help a little bit with finalizing the last things. And well, the trucks are on their way here. I did not have to drive this trip because we have 3 drivers and 2 trucks, so yeah, we can roulette a little bit. So don't worry, I'm gonna be driving somewhere this season for sure. So yeah, you're gonna see that as well. Yeah, here I am in Jerez for first 4 days of schooling. That means, yeah, just we build the bikes, we see what's new on the bike. So yeah, we know exactly how to assemble it, and yeah, then we have 2 days of testing going on. And yeah, let's hope everything goes well. I'm here actually in Monte Castillo, which is right next to the racetrack. Just relax a little bit until the trucks arrive, and then we go full yeah, to this new adventure. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. See you. just like that, we are in Portugal. Portimao to be precise, and well, let me tell you, I had a great time in Jerez. Working on a bike again, it felt really good, and well, don't get me wrong, the tires is very important, and I had a great time in LCR. But yeah, just working on the bike, yeah, just a little bit more technical, involved, and yeah, I just really liked it again, so I'm happy with my decision. Also, the test went pretty well. We had a substitute rider because Lecona has still an injury, and yeah, he didn't ride that one. So yeah, he did some laps for us. Yeah, we have some good data, and the second day was rained out, so we didn't do so many laps, but Vierge did do quite some laps, so we have also some wet data there. Yeah, and yeah, let's see what this test will bring. They say maybe it's gonna rain here as well, so yeah, let's hope we can get some good days in, and yeah, be fully prepared for Australia. But for now, yeah, I have 2 days off, so I'm gonna do some sightseeing here. And after that, just 3 days more, like 1 day setup, 2 days testing, and then I fly back home. Finally, so it's almost 3 weeks from home then. So yeah, I'm ready to go home by that time. So, but for now, enjoy the Portimao test, and I'll see you guys later.